Good morning. My name is Amy, and I'm with Travis Audubon. And we thought it would be nice to do a little guided nature walk with an emphasis on birds. I hope that this will be something that will be helpful to you. I'm here at my home in rural Blanco County, and as we humans are going through this very difficult time, nature is continuing to do what nature always does around this time of year. The birds are singing and flowers are coming out. So I hope you'll enjoy whatever it is that we see or hear on this little walk. The first bird I hear, loud and clear, well, all of a sudden has now stopped singing, which is kind of how it goes with bird, trying to identify birds by song. There we go. Oh, so now we have a new one, the Carolina wren. Do doodle do doodle do doodle do. So that's a Carolina wren. So that's a great example of a Carolina wren. And they often have a loud, clear song that is usually 3 notes. The way people usually think about it is tea kettle, tea kettle, tea kettle, tea kettle. Now I hear Peter, 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 Peter. And that was the one I was trying to point out before, a black-crested titmouse. And then we also have a white-eyed vireo, and what they typically will say, the books will say, chick, check, get the beer check, please. And you can hear the chick at the beginning and the chick at the end. And then in the middle, it's sort of a not very musical sort of song. Ah, there we go. So it's sort of like a chick diddle dee. They make all kinds of chattery sorts of sounds. Okay. And that loud trill actually sounds like a chipping sparrow, which you still had a few around. And we don't usually get to hear them singing until about this time of year, because they are winter residents. So now I'm going to walk down our little driveway road. As you can see, where we live, our landlord, where we rent our house, is doing a lot of cutting of the cedar, clearing cedar, or ash juniper rather is the correct name. In the distance I'm hearing a cardinal. Sweet, 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 sweet. We have an interesting plant here that grows near our house that I will show you. It's not blooming yet, but it will be soon. So this is a vine. It's a woody sort of vine, which is called the Texas honeysuckle. And once it starts to put out its flowers, it has these very beautiful honeysuckle white sort of blooms. And so this is a neat plant, and you can see that it's hanging, you know, sort of like hanging down like a vine. And I think that as I'm wrapping this video up, I'm going to take you over to a little patch of wildflowers and show you a few wildflowers. And there's often a butterfly or two. And so we'll see what we find. And that'll be a nice way to end our walk today. Oh, an ash-throated flycatcher. Ba-doo! Reap! Ba-doo! Beep-deep! Beep-deep! Ash-throated flycatcher. Ba-doo! He has only been here for about a week or so. This is another one like the white-eyed vireo. He's another one who has just arrived for the summer. I'm also hearing a white-winged dove. Doodle-doo, doo, doodle, doo, doo. Well, it seems like sometimes when I'm trying to say their songs and they stop singing. So here's a very nice wildflower patch. And the first wildflower that's here is called the prairie verbena. And the butterflies are really, and bees and all kinds of different insects are really enjoying this prairie verbena. And we have some large patches of it. The other one that they're really enjoying is our dewberry, which is like a blackberry. Here are the flowers. And it looks like, and in fact you can really see the prickles just like a blackberry. And this makes a really good pie once the berries come out. So there have been lots of monarch butterflies and all kinds of other butterflies. Although I'm not really seeing any right at this moment. We'll see if we can end up by listening to the white-winged dove. Doo, doo, doo. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you'll watch this video anytime you need it. I'm going to try to post more or share them with Travis Audubon so that we can have a little bit of a break and enjoy what nature is giving us right now, as we all are having to be distant from each other. Hopefully this is a way we can stay connected with each other and connected with nature. Thank you. Goodbye.